Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of COPACK Hemoglobin color scale. This is how the total box looks like, and also the test kits are also here. So let me take this box for you. You can see this here. Just some set of boxes here. Maybe I'm going to do that on one. You can see that here. It's COPACK Hemoglobin color scale. I'll just show you around the box. This is how the box looks like. Starting here, okay, bottom this side. You can see the other side. Hemoglobin color scale. I'm just reading this. The hemoglobin color scale is a simple device for estimating hemoglobin. It is intended for use when laboratory hemoglobinometry is not available. The color scale kit consists of a booklet containing a set of 6 shades of red and a pack of special absorbent test strips. The shades represent a range of hemoglobin values from 4 to 14 G/dl. By matching the color of a drop of blood on the test strip with one of the shades of red, you can see the blood is anemic, and if so, the severity of anemic in clinical terms. You can see the range for 12 gram per dl or more not anemic, 8 to 11 gram per dl mild to moderate anemic, 6 to 7 is going to be marked anemic, 4 to 5 is severe anemic, and less than 4 is critical. You can see this. Hemoglobin is indicated in gram per dl. To obtain a measurement in G per L, multiply the scale reading by a factor of 10. Okay, this is how the box looks like. So I'm going to unbox this for you. When you go inside the box, this is how the box inside looks like. You can see that. That is the hemoglobin color scale on the right side, and you got a test strip box on the left. You can see here it's made in Germany, from COPACK Germany. The CE certified product. Okay, let me take the color scale for you first. Okay, I'll pull out the color scale. Okay, I'll just keep it here. Okay, let me keep this here, and you can see the color scale. This is the color scale, and I'll open this for you. This is how the color scale inside looks like. Inside the color scale, you can see the values and the 6 color shades. You can see the 6 color shades: 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Hemoglobin equivalent G per dl. On this side you can see registered COPACK Germany manufacturer, and here also use the hemoglobin color scale. You have the instructions how to use it. This is only the approved strips. We have the instructions to maintain this. This is the inside of how the color scale looks like. This is it. I'm just keeping it here, and I'm going to take the test strip box. I got the test strip box. Okay, here it is. This is how the test strip box looks like. Let me show it for you. You can see, use only the special test strips that are provided with the scale, because others may give inaccurate results. So this is how it is. Reorder, certified, and you can see the same instructions on the back. This is how the box looks like. Okay, I'm keeping it here. I'm going to pull one box here to open and show it. You can see this. I'm just trying to open this 1 second. Okay, you got the opening here. Just got it open. It is like this, and it is like this. It open this way. If you touch this, it gets open. You can see this test strip box. You can see the strips here. You have almost 200 test strips here. You can see this here. I can show this here. This is how the test strips looks like. simple test strips. It's 200 test strips. So you just put a drop of blood on this and wait for the color change. This is how this test strip looks like. Okay. Okay, just to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of COPACK from Germany hemoglobin color scale. In the starter kit pack, you get one hemoglobin color scale and one 200 test strip box. And this is how the test strip box looks like. You can see that this is how the box has been designed, and you have test strips like this, 200 numbers. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you. Okay, thank you.